Hello everyone, Archana is here. Welcome to the fourth session of presentation ICSE Class 9 Paper 2 Literature in English. In today's session, let us deal with the prose Old Man at the Bridge, written by Ernest Hemingway. About the author, Ernest Hemingway was born on July 21, 1899 in America. He was a novelist, short story writer, and journalist. His economical and understated style had a strong influence on 20th century fiction, while his life of adventure and his public image influenced later generations. Hemingway produced most of his work between the mid 1920s and the mid 1950s. He won the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1954. He published 7 novels and 6 short story collections and 2 non-fiction works. Additional works including 3 novels, 4 short story collections and 3 non-fiction works were published posthumously. The Old Man and the Sea is considered classic of American literature. The setting is a spot in the countryside during the Spanish Civil War. An old man with spectacles sits exhausted by the side of the road near a pontoon bridge that crosses a river. Peasant refugees and Republican soldiers laden with munition and supplies flee the advancing fascist army. The story Old Man at the Bridge is in the form of conversation between a soldier and an old man who had to leave his hometown during the Spanish Civil War. But such an old man was forced to leave his native place and his pets, his only purpose of life. And he is now left on the hands of fate. The writer takes the ordinary detail and transforms it into a powerful story about the tragedy of war. The old man in the story becomes a symbol of countless civilians who perish in war. Now, come, let's deal with the story. The story Old Man at the Bridge is related through a conversation between a soldier and an old man, as we have discussed earlier, who had to leave his hometown during the Spanish Civil War. During the war, there was panic and anxiety all around. Everyone was aware of the impending death. Peasants, refugees, and Republican soldiers laden with munition, which means the soldiers were equipped with military weapons. Here, the old man with spectacles sat exhausted by the side of a road near a pontoon bridge that crossed the river. Carts, trucks, and men, women, and children were crossing the bridge. The narrator, who said that his mission was to cross the bridge and find out how far the enemy had advanced, did so. He saw the old man sitting beside the bridge when he crossed toward the enemy. He found him still sitting there when he crossed back. He began talking to the old man and came to know that his hometown was San Carlos. He was the last person to leave the town as he was anxious about his animals. The soldier got engaged in conversation with the old man. The narrator, who was nervously awaiting the advent of the fascist army and the ensuing battle between the armies, asked the old man about his animals, as he came to know while conversing that the old man was worried about his animals that he had left behind. The old man told the soldier that he had the charge of 2 goats, a cat, and 4 pairs of pigeons. He said that a captain had told him to leave the town and the animals because of artillery fire. He had no family, but he expressed concern about what would happen to his animals. He said that the cat would be all right because cats could look after themselves, but he did not know what would happen to his other animals. The soldier was concerned about the old man's safety, whereas the old man was concerned about his animals' safety. The narrator, who was more concerned for the old man's safety than those of the animals, inquired what the old man's politics was. The old man replied that he had none. He told the soldier that he was an old man of 76 and had come 12 kilometers and was too tired to walk up the road and catch a ride on a truck to Barcelona. The old man thanked the soldier for his concern for his safety, but he continued to express his concern over the fate of the animals he had left behind. The narrator reassured him, saying the animals would be fine. The narrator told him that the pigeons would fly away, but the old man continued to worry about the goats. The narrator told him that it was better not to think about them and that he should get up and walk to the trucks and leave that place. So, students, here at the beginning, the old man worried about his goats because the goats could not take care of themselves. However, the old man chose not to worry anymore. In this short story, the goat symbolizes soldiers who could not fight and take care of themselves during the war. A cat. What about the cat? It contrasts with two goats. A cat could take care of itself. Besides, cat has 9 souls. Cat also has strong defense. So cat can fight with the enemy and kill without fear. In this short story, a cat symbolizes soldiers who is able to fight and take care of itself. Therefore, the old man did not worry about cat. So finally, the old man thanked the narrator and got to his feet, swayed from side to side, and then sat down backwards in the dust. He reflected his obsession about the fate of his animals when he remarked that he was only taking care of animals. The narrator felt pity for the old man and remarked that there was nothing to do about him. He thought that the old man's only luck was that cats could look after themselves and that the day was overcast, so the fascists were unable to launch their planes. The old man remained obsessed with the thought about the safety of his animals. At the end of the story, the soldier felt pity for the old man and thought there was nothing to do about him. He realized that he could not remove the old man's concern about the safety of his animals. So, the story reflects the theme of depression and impending death. So, students, here we have winded up the short story, Old Man at the Bridge. Let us conclude the story. Before we conclude, let us deal with the character sketch of the story. The old man is the protagonist of the story. Old Man at the Bridge is a healthy and energetic old man of 76. He is physically fit and agile. During the Spanish Civil War, he was to walk 12 kilometers from his hometown to the bridge. He has to leave his place because a captain told him to leave the town because of artillery fire during the Spanish Civil War. He has no family, but he loves his animals. He has the charge of 2 goats, a cat, and 4 pairs of pigeons. He is forced to leave his farm and animals behind, but he is worried about the safety of his animals. During his conversation with the soldier at the bridge, he reveals that he is not worried about the safety of his own life because he is a fatalist. But he expresses his deep concern about the safety of his animals. He tells the soldier that he is not worried about the cat because cats can look after themselves, but he is worried about the fate of other animals. He cannot get rid of the thought about the safety of his animals. This thought makes him depressed and sad. The old man in the story symbolizes the men and women who have to leave their homes as victims of war with which they have nothing to do. The old man is a victim of the war, like the goats, because the goats, unlike the pigeons, can't fly. So he reconciles himself with his impending death. When the soldier asks him to catch a ride on a truck to Barcelona to save his life, he refuses to do so. The soldier takes pity on him and says there was nothing to do about him. Thus, He is worried more about the safety of his animals than his own safety. So, the second character of the story is the narrator, a scout and dutiful soldier. So, the narrator in the story, Old Man at the Bridge, is a soldier who comes in contact with an old man at the bridge where people are crossing to flee from the Spanish Civil War. The soldier is a scout whose duty is to cross the bridge and find out how far the enemy has advanced. He engages himself in conversation with the old man. During conversation, he comes to know that the old man is worried more about the safety of his animals, whom he has left behind in his hometown, than his own safety. On the other hand, the narrator is worried about the safety of the old man. He tells the old man to take a ride on the truck to Barcelona and save himself, but he refuses to do so. The narrator feels sad about the inevitability of the old man's fate and feels pity for him, saying there was nothing to do about him. So, here, what happens? He bemoans the old man's impending death. He expresses sorrow. So, the conversation reflects the old man's fatalism and the narrator's despair in a subtle manner. So, here, the theme of the story, the old man at the bridge, with its theme of war, violence, duty, kindness, and the trauma of displacement, is a short story wherein a tale of human suffering is laid out in a short yet powerful narrative by Ernest Hemingway. In this story, the old man is symbolic of the devastating effects of war on civilians who have nothing to gain from the conflict. When the narrator meets him, the old man is simply too tired to go any farther. He never wanted to leave his home to begin with. The old man is emotionally depleted. The title of the story, Old Man at the Bridge, is very appropriate because the story revolves around the old man who has left his hometown during the Spanish Civil War and has arrived at the bridge for safety. It is at the bridge that the narrator engages the old man in conversation. Let us conclude the prose. The short story Old Man at the Bridge by Ernest Hemingway wholly demonstrates the vicious repercussions of war on disinterested innocence. The short story, narrated by a nameless soldier, sensitively portrays the sorry plight of the refugees who are displaced by war. The action takes place at a pontoon bridge near the Ebro Delta on an Easter Sunday during the Spanish Civil War. All the refugees of that area were crossing the bridge to protect themselves from the impending attack by the enemy troops. The young soldier was on a mission to cross the bridge and find out how far the enemy had advanced. After the soldier had scanned the region for any sign of the enemy troops, he noticed an old man still sitting at the pontoon bridge. The 76-year-old man wore black dusty clothes and his face was dusty grey. He wore steel rimmed spectacles, which suggested that he was neither a shepherd nor a herdsman. He appeared weak and exhausted. The soldier asked the old man where he came from. The old man replied that he was from San Carlos. He had already walked about 12 kilometers from his hometown and was weary and exhausted. Therefore, even after the soldier had advised him to flee, the old man did not move. The officer asked the old man about his political loyalty, and he replied that had no politics. In San Carlos, he owned 2 goats, a cat, and some pigeons, which he had to leave behind because of the artillery. His whole life revolved around his animals and his hometown. He was just taking care of his animals without harming anybody, just like any other ordinary individual unconcerned with the ongoing war. When he was told to move to safety in view of the advancing enemy troops, he was worried about the safety of his animals and wanted to remain with them. The old man is more concerned for the safety of his animals than for his own safety. The animals stand for different qualities. The pigeons, for example, represent peace and harmony and the fact that they fly away from the war. Maybe is a reference to the refugees who flee from the war to a safer place. The cat, being a symbol of independence, does not need anybody to survive, but the goat is often used as a sacrificial animal, and this probably represents the old man and his situation. Like a goat which is sacrificed, the old man's fate is sealed. The old man's obsession with the safety of his animals brings out Hemingway's point that this mad war unnecessarily destroys even such useful human beings who help to sustain life. The narrator, the young soldier, advised the old man to cross the pontoon bridge to save himself from the impending assault of the advancing enemies. Although the old man got up and tried to move, he swayed and teetered. So he sat down again in the dust as he was too tired to move. He finally resigned himself to his fate and the imminent doom. We, along with the young soldier, arrive at the painful realization that the old man will not be able to move on and will probably die at the bridge. The irony is that, like a goat which is sacrificed, the old man's fate is sealed on an Easter Sunday, a day of hope and faith. Neither the old peasant nor the war is identified by name in the story, for the idea of the tragic sacrifices of uninvolved men in every war is universal. The old man epitomizes the victims of war, men, women, and children who had to leave their home and their normal life as victims of a war with which they have nothing to do. Home assignment. Answer the following questions. Explain why the narrator of the story takes so much time to converse with the old man. Use details from the story in support of your answer. Second question, how does Hemingway show that war disrupts the lives of ordinary people? Is this portrayal realistic? Explain why you think so. Thank you, students.